All right, life on the farm. Here we are at 7913 Range Road 1, West Lincoln. This farm is 25 plus acres and offers everything you see around here. So let's go have a look at some of the things that this farm has to offer. Okay, come on. So the barn is well set up for the goats, or you can see there's 2 rows down each side, and you could easily have horse stables. Just think of all the fun that you and your kids could have up here. Ah! Woo! Let's go over to the pole barn. I'll show it to you. You got the barn next door for your horses, the horse stables. Turn this into a riding arena. Currently there's a farmer renting this building for $500 a month. So if you don't know what to do with it, it's going to generate you an income of $500 a month. Right here we have a garden, a heavily manure rich and compost rich garden. Good for tomatoes, leek, cucumber, pumpkins, that sort of thing. Just will grow things like crazy. So just at evenings or whenever you want to come out here and have your own campfire, have your own wiener roast, what a great place. And the farm backs right onto the 20-mile creek here, so your kids would have hours and hours of fun back here. And after a day on the farm, nothing better than to be able to relax in your own hot tub. Thanks for taking this tour with us here at 7913 Range Road. You can go online and see a full virtual tour inside the house, outside, everything. And if you want to have a personal viewing, just get in touch with Wayne Skilstra, and I'd be glad, myself or one of my team members, to give you a personal tour.